You open your eyes after 12 hours of sleep. Your body feels heavy, your head foggy, but inside, something's wrong. Your brain's chemical balance is off, your blood is thicker, and your heart just skipped a beat. Because the truth is, sleeping too much can quietly start killing you. Everyone talks about not sleeping enough, but no one asks, what happens when you go too far the other way? What if your brain never wakes up properly? What if your body forgets it's supposed to move, to flush, to repair? Right now, as you lie there, your cells are drowning in your own chemistry. Let's see what's happening deep inside you when you sleep too much. Hour 0 to 2, the brain fog begins. You drift into deep sleep. It's peaceful at first. Your brain's cleaning crew, glial cells, begin washing away waste. But the longer you stay under, the slower they move. Toxic proteins like beta amyloids start piling up again. Just like in Alzheimer's, your memory centers begin suffocating in their own waste. That's why you wake up feeling more tired than before. Your brain never finished the cleanup. Hour 2 to 6, the chemical reversal. Inside your skull, the balance breaks. Serotonin, the mood stabilizer, drops. Dopamine, the motivator, crashes. Your brain mistakes the long rest for depression. It starts releasing inflammation signals. That's why after oversleeping, you feel empty, anxious, or sad for no reason. Your body thinks you're sick. Immune cells begin attacking healthy tissue just to fix a problem that isn't real. Hours 6 to 10, the body shut down. Now your body starts paying the price. Your heart rate slows too much. Blood circulation weakens. Your muscles don't move, so your blood thickens. Tiny clots begin forming in your legs. Your lungs exchange less oxygen. That's why your chest feels heavy when you finally waken. Your blood was starving your organs of air. Researchers found that people who sleep more than 10 hours regularly have up to a 30% higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Hour 10 to 12, the metabolic crash. Your liver slows down too. Metabolism hits minimum power mode. Instead of burning calories, your body starts storing them. Insulin spikes. Fat builds up in your liver. Blood sugar rises. You think you're resting, but your body is slipping into a diabetic-like state. Right now, your liver enzymes look almost identical to someone who's been binge drinking. Hour 12 plus, the brain reboots wrong. You finally wake up, but your brain doesn't. Neurons that stayed inactive for too long struggle to restart. Electrical activity stutters. You forget what day it is, feel detached, irritable. You're not lazy, you're neurologically lagging. Long sleepers often experience brain aging several years faster, as if each extra hour of sleep steals time from your neurons. Inside you, systems are desynchronized. Your heart runs on one rhythm, your hormones on another. Even your gut bacteria go out of sync, releasing toxins meant for midnight, now flooding you at noon. That's why long sleepers often feel dizzy, nauseous, or foggy even hours later. Your body isn't lazy, it's confused, trapped between sleep and wake. So the next time you think more sleep means more rest, remember, your body is built for balance, not excess. Now imagine what happens when you don't sleep at all for 48 hours. Your brain begins to hallucinate even while awake. That's what we'll explore next inside Dr. Sanai.